Hi guys, welcome to the channel of love. It's a rainy day, but it's a rainy evening. It's time to do a message from the animals. Okay, so what do the animals have to say today? Let's delve into this energy of the animals. Okay, we've got a stand. Beep, 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 beep. We have a car that's beeping. So we have a stand, a car that's beeping. Find joy in the little things. To some, it may be just a stick, but to others, it's treasure. Okay, so this takes me to a message I received as I was walking home. And I was drawn to stop and just take in the beauty. And my thought was, it was rush hour. And I thought, look at all these people rushing around and they get to miss the beauty of nature. And like a quote come through. It was, along the lines of, why are you in such a rush? It's like, slow down and see what's around you. But it rhymed. But I took a photograph. And then all the way home I was trying to remember this, it's like, slow down, why are you in such a rush? Or such a hurry? Or what are you in such a rush about? Take a look and see what's around you. I forgot. I forgot the quote I was told to go with this picture. And I forgot to share the picture. Okay, I haven't even looked at the picture since I've taken it. So I noticed a tree stump, and I felt like you should just be sitting on that tree stump. And then there's a waving path, and then there's blue flowers. I'm not sure if they're forget-me-nots or I've just said that for some reason. And there's daffodils. But let me see if I could just show you the picture. Now, you can't see the winding path or the flowers. There it is. I'm not sure what the blue flowers are. And all around were just cars, like on the roads, all around. You could hear all the cars, all the exhaustion, just wanting to get home. It was like the energy of people rushing to get home. It's like you're missing the journey. You're not appreciating the journey. Why are you in such a rush? It's like spring is in the air. So I'm taken now to the energy of cats and dogs. Dogs like to go out for a walk and they like to explore. And the energy is like, let them explore. They're going to lead you to some treasures. They're not hidden. They've been there the whole time. This was coming through earlier as well about Your gifts are not given to you, nor can they be taken. They are you. You are the gift. God's gift. It's all God's gift. It's all the Creator's gift to us. Right, okay. So, doggies. Pussycats. The dog looks excited to play with the pussycat. If at first you don't succeed, look for a new hobby. If at first you don't succeed, look for a new hobby. Not try again. Look for something new. Okay. Well, it's the same image here, and what's coming through is we can say goodbye to that. So if something like failed the first time, it doesn't get a second chance. That's what I'm feeling. What does the reverse say? Don't just roll over. Stand up for what you believe in. Okay. We're going to put that on the stand. Oh, it's the same. Oh, no, it's not the same doggy. It's the doggy that we saw. Pause. Reflect. Change the trajectory of your life. But whatever you do, don't wear socks with sandals. I say you do you. Critical kittens. Positive pups. Okay. You do you, whatever makes you feel true. True blue, baby, I love you. I love you. Chase the things you love. Cars, squirrels, your tail. The list goes on. So, these are a few of my favourite things. Cars. So we heard the car, the stand. Chase the things you love. Cars, squirrels, your tail. The list goes on. Even if you're on a leash, don't let anyone hold you back. Is in the car. Enjoying the journey. Like, seriously, lapping up the air. The pussycat is as well. Saying goodbye to the old, hello to the new. Dig your claws in and hang in there. Hang on in there, baby. Hang on in there, darling. I'm gonna give you more. That's it, I'm gonna give you more. Where do we go to now? Let's go to the magical unicorns. Animals, they missed the ark. They were too busy looking at their reflection in the water. They missed the ark. Okay, what's coming through is that won't happen again. Like, they won't miss the arc again. You'll know in the morning. When you wake up, you'll have a better idea about what to do. Relax until then. Maybe Rumi's midnight message brings deeper meaning. You'll know in the morning. Okay. So relax, chill. My youngster's a bit stressed today. It doesn't matter what anyone says to try and console her, calm her down, reassure her. She's stressed. So she's ignoring communication. She's ignoring phone calls, text messages. But she has responded and said, I'm sorry for not responding. I was stressed, in a bit of a panic. I'm feeling better now. I'm going to have a nice bath and I'll message you later. And I just put, okay, just chill. Just chill. Just chill. One reason why you feel unsure right now is that you're trying too hard to know the answer. The best thing to do is to let go and relax. The answer is right there for you, and as soon as you stop trying so hard, you'll know what to do. In this case, the best solution is to sleep on it. When you awaken, you'll have a much better idea about the best plan of action. During your dream time, the angels and unicorns will show you how to come up with a happy solution. They'll show you that the power of love and light heal everything. They'll also help you find the strength to take action. So, for right now, don't worry. Trust that your answer will be there for you when you wake up in the morning. It may not be the whole answer, but it will at least guide you in the right direction. Sleep well. Sleep well. Okay. Well, let's say cheers to peace, not worrying, sleeping well, knowing that you'll know in the morning. Now, we're going to the Archangel Animal cards. I'm staying away from the tarot until the end. My fingers are itching. It's actually my middle finger that's itching. We'll see what the Oracle wants to say. Normally I do the tarot first, but what's coming through is like, fuck the tarot. So, if someone's a bit anti... We can stick to the Oracle. I'm just reading the messages that are on the cards that have been pre-written. It's all been pre-written. It's all predestined. Oh, hold on. When I came on, there was a message. Oh, I know what it is. I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do this. And I spoke it out loud because the cards were a bit chaotic. The Pussycats have been in here in my absence, and there's red love hearts everywhere. all through the house. Well, not all through the house. There's one downstairs and there's one on the stairs. So, and I come in here and it's like, you've trashed the place in my absence. And I said, it was a mess to clear up. And I was like, I don't want to do this. But then I wasn't like, really, not an issue. It's not an issue. So I felt it was like, well, it took me to a time when I said to the divine, I don't want to do this. Please don't make me do this. And it was about being brave and expressing my emotions, my feelings. And yeah, I was begging myself in the mirror, please don't make me do this. So that's the energy that's coming through. It's like, I don't want to do this. And my response was, I wouldn't want to do it either. But I had to. Okay. You have to. You feel better after you have. And you have to do it regardless. Because the fear is the fear of the outcome. Okay? But you have to do it regardless of that. It's because there's that need to express yourself to another. You are rewarded when you do brave acts like that, regardless of the outcome, the response. You are always rewarded for brave acts, leaps of faith. It's like, you might say afterwards, why did you get me to do that? But all for personal growth, about facing your fears. Okay. We have the turtle. Be joyful and trusting. This is a beautiful card. Platform announcement. I'm not sure what she was saying though. Turtle. I've gone to the dove. A turtle dove. Two turtle doves. Archangel Jules. About turtles, these highly evolved beings step down to Earth from another universe through the ascended aspect of Jupiter known as Jumbay, the plane of happiness and abundance. Turtles radiate these qualities in their energy fields. Like all reptiles, they maintain their original divine blueprint from source. Their sole mission is to help raise and maintain the frequency of our oceans and facilitate prosperity consciousness and higher knowing in humanity. They trust the land to look after their eggs and the sea to nurture their young so that enough of their offspring will survive. Their tough shell protects an incredibly sensitive inner. They form part of the dolphin's protective army by raising the frequency of the waters around them to create an impenetrable wall of light. Then lower entities cannot access the information turtles hold in trust. Turtles draw our attention to the importance of keeping the waters clean and often sacrifice themselves while doing so. Okay, the guidance. Choosing this card suggests that you may sometimes put your shell around you to protect your sensitive feelings. This also prevents the good from coming in. Your guidance is to let this wall down and place light around yourself instead. Through the turtles tune, tune into, through the turtles, tune into Jumbay and focus on abundance consciousness. You can call in love, prosperity, happiness, joy, and all manner of good things, but be sure to visualize others and the whole planet receiving this stream of bounty with you. Trust that the universe loves you and that everything will work out for the highest good. The rich and generous universe is ready to bring you plenty. So value who you truly are. And if you wish to sacrifice yourself for the majority, do so consciously. Okay. What's interesting, I was drawn to use the dolphins, mermaids and dolphins. But I felt because they were mermaids, not to use them, because mermaids were involved. I'm going to go and get them. I also want to have a look at the enchanted map. I forgot to get that deck of cards. Cheers to you. And you being happy through and through, all day through, all day through, all day through. The enchanted map. What was the other deck I wanted? Oh, the mermaids and dolphins. It takes two, baby, me and you. You know it takes two. Okay, let's get this message out. Magical mermaids and dolphins. Future in your pores. I felt the energy of like relaxing, pausing. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. Dream. A new dawn. You'll know what to do in the morning. Oh, you'll know in the morning. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Hip hip. Haven't got that hooray yet. Hip hip. Hip hip. Do you need a new hip? A hip replacement? Just needs a magical touch. A magical kiss. You know the song that's been playing? Now my headphones have shut down, broken, not doing it. Okay. I don't want to do this. Fine. So I haven't been able to listen to music. So I've been in silence. Rather than playing like out loud, my phone out loud, I've been in silence, but the songs keep coming. We seem to be going down a bit of a reggae route. Yesterday's song, Pato Banton, Come Back. Today, who's it by? Red Dragon, I believe. Compliments, girl, on your kiss. You're number one girl on my list. And every time I think of you, always. A new dawn. A living jukebox. Okay, I need some glasses. You've endured storms over rough seas, but now the way is clear and smooth. From here on in, you can expect the best. Wash away the negativity from your consciousness and past memories, and keep only the positive lessons and love. Don't hang on to anything that could weigh you down, such as resentment or bitterness. Let it go. If you've gone through patterns of negativity in the past, this is a time to affirm, I now release the need to experience this life lesson. I extract whatever teachings I need to discover, and I move on to a life of harmonious and peaceful actions. By pulling this card, you've turned a corner in your life, wherein your prayers and positive thoughts are delivering new rays of divine light to illuminate your present and future. The future in your pores. I'm going there. I am. A quick channeling. Okay, we've been on for 26 minutes and 11 seconds. We've got 21 seconds to go. I can see your hair. Okay. Or am I just imagining it? Two of Wands. Looks like he's waiting for dawn to come. Dawn is here. So it's the sky. What's coming through is like red sky at night, shepherd's delight, red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning. But this is not God's warning. This is God's message. Two of Wands. It looks like that speech bubble's coming out of his arse. He is holding a world here, or... Okay. Yeah. Strong. Being strong. Athletics is coming through. Because he's got like the javelin. Okay. And he's got like the shots put. I was never good at throwing sticks. But the shot put, I was best in my year at throwing a shot put. I enjoyed shot put. Not very good with hurdles, jumping over them. Crash right through them. Long jump. Could never hit the board. High jump. No chance. Shot put. Running. Relay. Why are we talking about athletics? What was you good at? 200 metre sprint. And being the last leg in the relay race. 100 metres, I need just a bit more time to build up the speed. What about you? Partial success this is. The Two of Wands. The Three of Wands is waiting for your manifestation to come in. But what is it that you're wanting? Because your manifestation's only going to come in when you decide what it is that you're truly wanting, because you're always receiving your manifestations. That's like no one can give you your gifts. Oh, that's it. No one can give you your gifts and no one can take them away from you, because they lie within you. You have the power within. So you're always manifesting. You're manifesting what you focus on, what you think about, what you believe. You manifest what you believe. Okay, there we get there. You manifest what you believe. Have a look at your beliefs. And if they're matching, Knight of Swords. Well, he looks like a cool rider. Right back the wind, bullseye. He's on a bike. The Knight of Swords is dashing. He may be good at the 100-meter sprint. So the energy of like a relay, handing over like the baton. I keep feeling as if the towel's wrapped around this wand here. The Knight of Swords. Okay. He doesn't really think too much into things. A bit slapdash. This is taking me to like not seeing the positive, always seeing the negative, or focusing on the negative rather than the positive, so that's what you'll be manifesting. There's red sky. That's pink. Not a red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning. Pink. I feel like someone's a bit afraid to put on like rose tinted glasses. Seeing life from a different perspective, a new dawn. We've got the Magician. Making it happen. What was that? There's nobody in the house and all the pussycats are downstairs. Banished from the bedroom. Vanishing. A banishing act, a vanishing act. What's going on here? Well, there's lots of things growing. Are you starting to pay attention? Because you've got all the tools that you need within you. The Magician teaches you that. Nearly dropped it. So a clumsy kind of energy. Okay. Oh, that will be a bit slapdash. Haphazard. Okay. Scared to dabble. Don't dabble. With negative intentions. Don't dabble with negative pursuits, intentions. I felt that energy of like, well, fuck the tarot. Being anti that, and then dabbling. How can you be anti tarot and dabble with magic? Magic's magic. Magic is the law of attraction. It will be used positively or negatively depending on your state of being. If you have dark negative thoughts, you're sending out dark negative magic spells. The awareness. You have the power within you. It's up to you to learn how to control them. Nobody's going to take them away. And nobody's going to give you them. Your power is on you. Now we have the manifestation. The Three of Wands. Okay, so you've got yourself a rubber ring. A happy friend here, look. Scared of the transition. Remember love. Remember that love has your back. Love is rooting for you. This is all rooted in love. The Six of Cups, remembering what love is. Remember, remember, remember. So let's go to the enchanted map. Felt like that had been like bookmarked. It just feels like there would be a bookmark in there. Now some of these cards are in reverse and I haven't spun them around in a while. Okay. I feel like the energy of like looking at open space. Okay. Coming apart, it's in reverse. I'm really like drawn to this line on my face. Somebody made mention to me today, I don't know what the conversation was about. It was about wrinkles. Card number 46 in reverse, coming apart. A situation is unravelling and your best plans are leading you into a tricky maze. Your challenge is to separate out the elements of this puzzle to get a better perspective on what's happened. You may have lingered too long in a place where you didn't belong anymore, seduced by a temporary solution. As you untangle yourself, it's important to maintain a sense of humour. Don't fret. You will learn something valuable that you'll need later when faced with a more dangerous situation. Breathe and know that you are loved. Okay. We want another card. I've got no more decks of cards here. I have the Rumi deck. Does that mean we're not having a midnight message? No, we can have a midnight message. I'm just trying to find the book, the guidebook. The Pussycats have knocked down quite a lot of stuff and I've picked it up and just... oh, there it is. It's by this Love Heart that has a love heart and has some crystals. I believe that one attracts abundance. I don't know what stone that is though. They're in there. In the love heart. That piece of paper in there, that piece of paper, I'll tell you why that piece of paper is there. Because of a sticky Werther's Original. I had Sweeties in here and I wanted to use this, but I did to put the red love hearts in. This is where the red love hearts were in here. I didn't want them getting sticky, so I popped a bit of paper on top of the sticky toffee. Let's have a Rumi message now then. The bottom of the deck is Celestial Rose of Mar. I don't feel drawn to read it. I was taken to the roses on the images though. If it wants to come out and be read, then it will do. I just saw a card that had like yellow, looked like a burst of sunbeams. Star, Mother, Arrakis. Let love transform. We're still not reading those. This is the message. Merciful Mother Jamal. Card number 44. It's a beautiful card. Beautiful colourings. It's the colours that captivate me. Card number 44. What do the animals want to say? It's time to move into a more loving environment. Okay. Oh, sudden resurrection. Oh, countless blessings. Oh, blazing fire in the jungle of thought. Today, you arrive with laughter to break open the jail. Rumi. You, blazing angel, capable of so much, you evoke the testing hands of life. Why not, when you cannot fail? Yet in your sweet surrender, how can the great beloved not respond in kind and offer you solace, comfort and mercy? For not all success must be hard won. Can you imagine this? The sweet face of the all-powerful. It shines upon you as the love emanating from the Holy Mother's eyes, the golden radiance of her body, and the gentleness of her touch. This is your birthright now, your divine inheritance. The mercy of the all-merciful. Let it soften the hard edges of your life and your being, and bring to you the grace that is deserved. Okay, this oracle brings you a message. There is a shift taking place now in a matter of great importance to you, from Jalal to Jamal, from justice to mercy. This is your path, your destiny, and your blessing now opening up before you. It may be a particular matter, however, it likely includes your entire life orientation. You are being granted refuge, respite, and shelter from the storms of struggle and doubt, and being given a divine sanctuary of safe harbour. You shall find that the unravelling of the struggle and pain now happens through tenderness, a gentler approach. You are also being asked to take stock of your own thoughts and attitudes. Having to be tough and play hardball, shot put. Having to be tough and play hardball in the past has served its purpose, yet this oracle comes to you with guidance to become softer in your way and your attitude. Can you gently but firmly place to one side the judge within, the one who keeps score and demands retribution, an eye for an eye, the exponent of absolute justice. The exponent. Exponent? Can you invite instead the one who gentles the aggressive lord within and allows him to bow before the great lady who loves, is wise, and who steadies the workings of the world with the softest of touches? My heart's beating extremely fast, like pounding out of my chest. I felt it earlier on. Okay. Pounding. Don't fear that if you suddenly give yourself a break, all your discipline, hardness, toughness, and suffering will go to waste. No, all things provide learning and serve divine purpose. But now there is no reason to continue in that way. It is time to learn another way. You are strong enough now to become gentle. I like that. I do like that. A gentle touch. A gentle approach. A gentleman. You are strong enough now to become gentle. If there is a foe or fight in your life, ask for the Mother of Mercy to blast. It says to bless. We can blast it into resolution, but bless. So if there is a foe or fight in your life, ask for the Mother of Mercy to bless it into resolution. You are being told now that this resolution is already on its way. You are being told now that you can stand your ground and remain in your strength without having to become aggressive or hard. You have more power than you realise, and it is in your being. There it is. There it is, in your being. You have more power than you realise, and it is in your being. It is not in your ability to control others or manipulate situations, for such actions are unworthy of a being of your magnitude and are unnecessary for your success. You are also being given the message that your prayers are powerful. Although action in the world is a part of your sole purpose and plan, when you pray, have convictions that your prayers are real, are heard, and are responded to by the great universal heart. So pray carefully and thoughtfully. Be present and speak as if you were speaking to your dearest, oldest, and most influential and powerful friend, because of course that is exactly what you are doing. Pray from the heart and trust in the power of your prayers. There is no limit to what you can pray about, nothing too unspiritual or unworthy, nothing. So pray. This oracle brings you the message that the great power of compassion is reaching for you, that it wants to help you, but is waiting for you to ask. So ask. So ask. Then you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. Now we're getting it. Okay. That's that. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you very much for the messages from the animals. I was going to say the magical realm. From the animal realm. Cheers to connectedness. Cheers to the rose quartz. love, unconditional love. And cheers to the amethyst. All is well, all is well. I will talk to you guys soon. Until then, take care, much love.